Sup? Hey. Oh, nice, man. Part 2. Sup? Alright, let's see if I can get this done tonight. I want levels. I want levels done today. Alright, so I guess first thing is just getting the aiming of the guard done. So let me move stuff to make it easier to play test here. Just move this like over, yeah, there. I'll just immediately aim. It needs to be zoomed out more. What's this? 0.8, 0.8. Zoom. 2:30 there. Damn. Yeah, it's like 12:30 here. I'll stay up another hour or so. Maybe a little more. Damn, 2:30 there, Michael. Okay, so they can see, and let's just get the guard to aim. So, let's see, angle 2. Where is the attack? So, where is process attack state? Right, there we go. Let's see, if blah 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 blah. Okay, angle, arm base dot global rotation equals, what do we want? Offset, let's see, attack. Target dot global position. Let's see, bar angle, goal angle equals dot global position and minus R position. So fire point, no, arm space dot position. That's global position and get the dot angle, right? And then just set that. And then I need to figure out, so it's opposite there. When it's okay, so when it's flipped, it's opposite. So if I go to the other side, it should be more correct, right? Alright, something's pushing it. Is it the flames? Are they hitting it? What's it aiming? Oh, it's aiming at the base of the person. So I need to actually maybe do it up. Attack target global position plus vector 2, 0, and then negative 40 maybe. Let's see if that works. Okay, cool. Now it's aiming at the middle. The flame, why is it pushing things? What? Should not be pushing anything. Collision shape disabled, no. Maybe I should just make this an area. And I could just translate. No, but then it would take a while to update. Why is it being weird? Okay, so guard goal angle, yes. So if rotated, if we're not facing right, we just want to, I think it's goal angle times equals -1. Keep up the funky chronic, thanks. Okay, so it is spawning correctly. Something's being glitchy with the physics. Okay, so it is aiming properly. It's just the flames are shooting out in the wrong direction right now. So what's going on with that? Where's the attack method? Attack. Let's see, so if I have it, whoa. Is it glitching because I have so many physics objects working together? So see, that's pushing. I guess that wouldn't be a problem though, because it would just, see, why is it pushing? It shouldn't be because it's not on the same layer. I guess it wouldn't be a problem because it's just gonna kill it when it hits it. So it, as you can see, it correctly aims when it's aiming this way, but not when it's aiming on this side. So what's that glitch there? Some kind of collision problem. But that side, it's not aiming right. So when it's flipped, I got to, where's attack, where's attack? Attack, here we are. Global rotation should not equal this. If we're facing right, then, or if we're facing right, we'll do that. Otherwise, we do negative maybe. Let's see what that does. Now it's gone the opposite direction. Why is it colliding with? So it's colliding with that and that. What layer is the guard on? Collision. Shouldn't be on any layer. Okay. It's still backwards. Yeah. Why don't I just set the direction it should travel in? Let me see. Or I could just get the angle to, let's see. Shouldn't it be, what should it be aiming at? If we're not facing right, it's got to do something special. Like, I guess I could just get this angle here. No, that would be weird. Go angle. Have I made names for the characters? Nah. Too much work. I don't know what I would do if I did. Okay, so we have the rotation. It's correct if we're on the right. If we flip, we're on the left. Then maybe I add pi or something. Okay, so it's still shooting the wrong way. It needs to get, let's see, fire point, whatever the direction. What direction is it facing? How do I get that? Point dot. What engine's good for beginners? Unity. I don't know. Unity's pretty good. Plenty of resources. Fire instance. What's gotta be the angle here? What happens if I just use this again? What was just the regular one? What was happening again? So it's doing the opposite of what it should. Why is that pushing it? It should not be pushing it. So confusing. So like, it's doing the opposite of what it should. So basically I need to convert it. What if I subtracted pi? Minus pi? Minus pi. Okay. We're getting onto something. It's shooting in the right angle, just backwards. So now, minus pi, maybe minus half of pi. No, it's still wrong. Adding half of pi, what about? Or instead of getting it negative. No, it's gotta be negative on some level. Okay, so this is rotating properly. So it's subtract, I think, from there. No, it's gotta be divided by 4. No, yeah, it's too little. What is this? So, wait, why is this working now? What the heck? I changed nothing though. But, oh, I used exclamation mark. I'm an idiot. I don't know what I was doing. Okay. And why is this pushing it? It should not be pushing. Mask. it's on the characters layer. I guess maybe that's just how this interacts. Maybe that's just how kinematic bodies interact with things. What if I change this to an area? And then instead of 2D, I can just say translate by that. And then connect, let's see, function burn, we'll say, and call and connect area, no, body. Come on, give me the pop-up. Give me autocomplete, there we go, self burn. So if call dot, what would it be? If it has, there. If it has method burn, there we go. There we go, and there we go. Let's see what happens if I do that. Whoops. Get index collider, there, just get rid of that. There we go. Good night. There. Now it hits us and it phases out when it hits us. Oh, it should actually be on the hitbox layer. That's what it should be. Actually, could have just kept the kinematic body. Oh well. Actually, it should be on the, not characters, but hitbox. And then this could actually just be, you can put it back how it was with the kinematic body. That won't, because that won't push anything. Let me do var call equals that. What is the advantage of Godot compared to Unity? Starts up in like 2 seconds, really small file size, different scripting language if that's your thing, more dynamically typed, more Python-like. Wait, that should be move and collide, and that should be kinematic body 2D. What's up, Billy? Yeah, open source. Okay, there we go. Now I need to add, where's person? Hitbox, I need a hitbox script. Func burn, and we'll just get parent and call burn. Yep, and then we'll go to the person eater, add that to load that, and then is this on the right layer? Yep, and then we go to rip segment. This should have a burn method as well. This should be on the hitbox layer as well, I feel like. And then add it to, let's see, hitbox. Add the hitbox script to that, and then let's go up here. Let's see, can I just add this? So I'll have a burn method, there we go. And then I can go to, wait, no, I don't want it on here actually. I can just add a burn method, a custom burn method to this. And test time. And just add burn, and we could add Q free to it. Let's see what happens if you burn this. Oh, it's pushing it, god damn it. Yeah, the flame, I don't want it to do that. It's not even deleting, yeah. Alright, let's bring it back to what it was, area 2D, and again with the area 2D, and don't deal with that. Too much to deal with. Translate, and get rid of that. There we go. I think that was everything. Oh, and it crashed. What did it do? Body enter is already connected to another method burn. What happened there? Signal body entered is already connected to another given method burn in that object let's see, is it this that's breaking it? Yeah, that was breaking it. So can I make so it hits that? And oh, whoa, what is all this? Error methods. Body enters is already connected to a given method. Why is it self-burn? Why is it breaking then? Why is it saying it's connecting it multiple times? Like, see, why is it saying that it's already connected when it isn't? I'll call it burn target and see what happens. And that's also doing that. Why is it oh, it's because I call ready twice. That's what it is. I need to do func init. And then I'll put that in there. And then we go to the flame. No, it's in the guard here. And we'll call init. There we go. That's better. Okay, so now I want to see, can I call queue free on this? Will it crash? Yes. So that just straight up crashes with no error message if you try to delete it. Can I get the pin joint dot node A equals null? Can I do that? And node B. Invalid set. Right. How do I... Oh, maybe I can clear the pin joint first or something. Queue free. Can I do that? That crashes it too. Godot clear pin joint in code. Not seeing anything. Let's see, maybe if I go dot node A equals self. Can I do that? Invalid set with type of rigid body 2D. Why? Node self dot get path. What is it? Get path or get path 2? I hate dealing with joints. They're so awkward to work with. See, like what? Why does calling queue free on a pin joint? I'm gonna go for at least another hour, I think. Godot queue free pin joint crashes. Oh, it's probably because it's probably because there's another joint connected to this. So what I need to do is just make this one stop doing anything, I guess. Okay, yeah, so I can just disconnect it there like that. And then I could like hide the graphic maybe. Yeah, so like that it just disconnects it. So what I could do is also hide the graphic. Sprite.hide and maybe replace it with like some ashes. See, like that. And then this character should die when that happens. Let's see. Print, well, let's get the node A. Let's see if I can, if it has a way I can access that. Okay, so it has person. So what if I do get node? It would be get tree dot get root dot get node, right? Where am I missing something? Where is the missing 10 seconds before he dies? He won't have any blood though. How would he live? Let's see. What punctuation? Oh, I'm missing a parentheses. Hate when the auto parentheses thing like. Okay, cool. What is this debugger? Node not found. Let's see. Var burned equals false. If burned, return. We could just say collision shape dot disabled equals true, and let's get the name of this. Nope, on null instance. Oh, we didn't set burn to true. Equals true. Dot name. Here we are. Null instance again. Did it output anything? Nope. Node cannot be found. Call deferred. Deferred on. What's the method? It's set disabled to be true on this. There, that would be it, right? Get treated. So we'll just do that. Why is it giving me a null every time? Why is it giving me a null now? It wasn't giving me a null before. Yeah. What's all these errors? Node not found person. But it just found it before. Yeah, why is it now giving me a null? What the frick? Oh, it's relative to itself. Ah, good point. Yeah, no, still giving me null. I do get node. Oh, it should be of the pin joint, duh. There. There we go, that was it. Actually, I should just probably store that on ready var pin joint equals pin joint. There we go. I don't have to type it every time. There we go. So now let's get the name and just confirm. And rope segment person. There we go. Cool. So I want to see if there's we can just set a method on here called like starve or something. Print starved to death. And we can have something on here for that. So intestine. Var connected to equals that. If connected to, so if it's not null, and connect to dot has method starve, then connected to dot starve. There we go. Started coding games, your code wasn't a big mess. Mine was, definitely. Okay, cool, so they'll starve to death. I just need to make a animation for that. Let's do this. So animation player, duplicate, and we'll call this rename die. And then we'll just kind of move animation, please. There we go. Move the body to, no, rotate. And the leg. And arm. Oh, that looks weird. And leg upper right. And then that one. And let's just, yes, animate that. Why is it asking me to create a new one for all of these? I thought I had these animated. Is this just for, that's weird. Did it just forget all of them, or did they get animated? Did they get removed when I removed them on the guard or something? Is it sharing animations? Let's see if it's doing it on the guard. That would be really annoying. Oh, I forgot to, damn it, I forgot to get the position, and don't loop this. Body position. Yeah, that's good enough. It's like they're kind of collapsing. Let's see. Function die. Anim player dot play die. Die. Wait, shouldn't you have started to death? Oh, well, we should have a var is dead equals false. Or is dead return. Is dead equals true. Thanks, Signalized. Me too. Yeah, for some reason all of their animations got messed up. Is the guard's animations messed up as well? Let me check. So because I walk, did it? No, it didn't add in. For some reason they got deleted when I deleted the guard's arms. That's really annoying. Arm, nope. Clear that. Dang, that sucks. Clear that. And add it in. And clear that and add it in. That should look pretty nice looking, yeah. Pretty good. Walk. Now we gotta add the walk. Could just keyframe all of these like this and leave it because I don't want to deal with it right now. There we go. Nice. And then I'm dead. So let's see. Why is it only hitting one of them? Okay. So now I need to have like a check to see if all the bodies are dead or something. Guard. is the process attack state. If burned in attack target, then in burned, or if, what, stop doing that. Was it burned, I think, for the intestine? Yeah, burned. If burned or is dead, then set that. Can I do that? I can't remember if, nope, I can't. That's annoying. Unless maybe if I do it like that, that'll allow, okay, that's okay. That's, oh, what are all these debug? Sure, no, not found. What? Couldn't resolve track arm. Where? Node not found. Oh, great. Yeah, it's these. Why is it, what is it, the guards animation player? Is it like trying to use the same ones? Ah, yeah, what? Make unique, what is this? How do I make this one unique or something? For some reason it is using the same, I mean, yeah, you can, but it means there's something wrong. See, like right here, for some reason it's using the same animation as the player one. It's not giving him unique ones, and I'm trying to find where's the unique. Like, how do I do make unique or whatever? Graphics, no. Method call. I want to make the animation player unique. Change type to reparent. Nope. Copy node path, delete nodes. Can I just like make this unique or something? Duplicate. What if I just do that? Duplicate. No, wait. Not that one. Idle. Duplicate. And then I go, if I go now to the person, will it have duplicated that one? No, it won't. So if I go and then I delete that, I go here and delete that, and then I just rename it. Where's rename? Okay, and idle, rename. Let's see, if I delete left arm here, does it delete upper left arm on the person? That was in which animation walk? Upper right, lower right, lower right, lower left. Let's see, now I'm gonna go to the guard and just get rid of all these. Hopefully I figured it out. Hopefully I don't have to redo all these. Why is this one still alive? Oh, damn. Okay. I'm going to... Maybe I should make them all burn. Yeah. Has method burn. Maybe I should just do burn. Yeah. And I'll just call the burn method. There we go. And go to person and make this burn, right? And then the guard's freaking out. Okay. So now I need to make like some check to see if its targets are dead, it will just return. Also, I should make call deferred set disabled. I should do that on the person as well. Let's see. Die set commit Why is it? I need to be on the person tree. There we go. Collision shape dot disabled equals true. And hit box dot collision disabled equals true. Okay, now on the guard, let's check its AI can see player. Let's see, where's this? Is attack is object dead. And we'll just do object. Return if that is in it, or that is in it, then we return true. Dang it, come on, the parentheses again. Okay, so we just do is object dead on, where did I put that code? There we go. So object dead, attack, target. Can see player. Result and player and is object dead player node, and it is not dead. So it would be there to there. And is not dead. Let's see if that works. There we go. Oh, the set shape can't, oh, jeez. Do this shit again. Was it under person? Dot called deferred. Like, why not just make Q free do it? Or wait, no, this is disabled, yeah. Set disabled true. Are you dealing with this? There we go. Yeah, it's whenever the screen comes up, it's NVIDIA's fault. Why is this? Oh, I mistyped. Deferred. There we go. Now it's 2 R's, right? Okay. And this one needs to have some kind of funk burn. There we go. Var is dead equals false. Is dead equals true. There we go. So now it should kill everything, right? Why isn't it? Should there be no targets left? What's it aiming at right now? Where is can see player? What is the current attack state? What's it setting to? Print target dot name. So it's just aiming at the person still. Why is it still aiming at the person? Oh, maybe it was trying to hit the intestine or something. So now it's just aiming at the person eater. Why is it still aiming at them though? Process state attack. Process state attack. I think if I just use the open source drivers, it should fix the problem. That's done that before. Let's see, process state attack. Print, like, what's up with this? Print the result of can see player. what's it getting right now? No, in the name of it. If it's not, come on, down here. Still targeting that, but why? It should be dead. Print, it died. What's the method? Yeah, that's it right there. Like, what's going on? What's up, y'all? That's never getting called? What? Why is that never getting called? Oh, because it doesn't have a hitbox. There. No, it does have a hitbox. Why is it? Collision. It's on here. Like, why is this not getting hit? Get parent dot burn. It should be getting hit there, right? Why isn't it? Yeah, so why isn't this getting... I have connected it. It's just, I don't understand why the flame area isn't detecting it. Like, microphone. Goal.name. See, it never hits it. It's never colliding with that. Flame collision, it is masked on the hitbox layer. The person eater is on the characters layer, yep. But the hitbox here is on the hitbox layer. And it is like, let's just see what happens if I put this there. See the flame, it's hitting, see I can see every collider that's entering it, but it's never displaying the hitboxes. It's never actually hitting the hitbox. It only hits the ropes for some reason. Like, why is that? It doesn't even show the names of the people getting hit. Like, if I do this, it doesn't even show the person's name. What's up with that? It doesn't even say the hitbox that got hit. Why is that? Oh, because it's body entered, not area entered. Duh. Burn target area. Of course it's not going to hit. Area entered to area. There. There we go. Okay, cool. That's what the problem was. Now the guy will actually move around and kill everything. Nice. And clamp that in a bit more. And this should be going to the hitbox. Let's see. Hitbox child. Hit. Why is this? Hitbox slash shape 2D. I don't know why it's not letting me just. But it's right there. Oh, I'm in the hitbox code. That's why. Well, what this should do is collision shape dot call deferred set disabled true. So now this guy will chase him down, and there, yeah, now it's searching the map. Cool. So you can just die and lose everything. It isn't even blood because they're just gonna turn to ash. Let's see. I should have like a. The game needs more violence. When they're burning on fire in their screens, maybe it'll be more violent. Yeah, I'm gonna add particle effects. Let's see. Come on, music, keep playing. What do we want to do here? Let's see. So I want to make flames. So let's do fire. Let's see. Particles 2D. So it'll be fire. And process material, new particles material. And we'll make that mission shape box. Width to something like that. Yeah, let's say 12. I'm actually kind of tired of the Wilhelm scream. Not every movie needs to have it in it. Okay, there we go. Get rid of gravity. No, just set that to 0. Actually, set that to like -10 and then it'll rise nice. Let's see, if I rotate this, oh yeah, so it needs to be in world coordinates. And then scale, have a curve. Yeah, melting would be cool and all that, but again, I don't think I can do all that in the time I have. Okay, fire, curve. Something like that, and scale it to like 5. And let's increase the time to be like 2. And more particles, like something like that. Yeah, it's 8 p.m. So today, I guess, because it's 1 a.m. now. That's why I want to get all the mechanics done. So I got dying. I need a restart. I just need a pop-up for a restart. It just detects when everyone dies, basically. So let's see, that's good. Now I'll get the color. Let's see, color ramp, new gradient texture, new gradient. So we'll start with like white, hot, and then we get to yellow, and then we get to red. I think that's what it is. And then we get to like black smoke, and then we get to gray for smoke. Yeah, that's pretty good fire. You get to work, Mr. Sergame. If I turn up the speed scale, like, I think that's better, like that. Okay, so that's a good particle effect for fire. And we could have like a ash sprite or something. I'll just placeholder with sprite. Oh, I could duplicate this. Call it the ashes sprite. Ashes. And the duplicate will just have the visibility, just turn it like really black. So it's just blackened, right? Right, and I just turn that on. So when it's burned, let's see, timer, oops, timer, and gonna stop this because it's kind of lagging my screen. Timer, wait 2 seconds. Increase speed, lower size, and increase the number of particles. But then if I have that on every single one of them, it's gonna, you know, lag out like crazy. Burn is true. Burn equals true, and let's say start fire timer. So I'm gonna have a func finish fire or finish burn. So it's gonna go to fire, emitting equals true, and then it's gonna do the start fire timer dot start, and that's gonna connect to, let's just ready connect it here, connect start fire timer dot connect timeout to self dot finish burn, and then in here disable that, hide the sprite, and turn on the ashes sprite, which is dot show. There we go, and that should be hidden by default. Hide. So that'll give a 2-second fire. Oh yeah, look at that. 2 seconds, and then they convert to haha, nice. That looks so cool. I need to make so it stops redoing it though. Look at that. That's awesome. Oh wow, that's so cool. Let's see, the fire should stop though after a couple seconds. False. Sup, Eric? Actually took a couple hour break, but oh, I should make it stop colliding when it does that. Yeah, you can see it burns out after a couple seconds. That's really cool. Turn off the collision shape though when it starts the burn. There we go, that's more like it. All right, and then let's see, person, this, if we call die, if is dead, then return. There we go. Or we should do that, I guess, in here. And now we need to have the flames. So I'm gonna get rope segment, make it local, get the fire and stuff, delete that, then go here to the process material and make it unique. Start it. Emission shape, we'll do a box, I guess. Let's see, we can put it, no, go up here, make it maybe 10 wide and 30 tall. That's pretty good. And then make it do like 32 particles. Right, and there we go. And then turn off that. So when we burn, we'll call finish burn and do the start fire timer dot start, and I want to connect to that. Ready. What puzzles will I be able to add? Will there be enough time? I mean, yeah, I'm almost done with the mechanics. I already have a few ideas for puzzles. The first ones will just be like figuring out, you know, you have to walk this far, you have to get there while the guard's patrolling. Oh, I still need to test the guard patrolling AI. I haven't actually tested any of that code. But there'll be some guards patrolling, you have to like quickly move past them. Thanks, Eric. GDScript is a programming language editor. Let's see, start fire timer dot connect timeout to self to finish burn, and here we'll just do modulate, no, graphics dot modulate equals color dot black, and we'll do the fire dot emitting equals false. So stop burning and start it here. So let's see how that looks. There we go. Nice, and we need to do the same thing for, maybe I should change the shape of this actually. This should probably be a child of the body actually. Yeah, there we go. Oops, dot that. Yeah, check that out. Ha. Crazy. I gotta make the last one do it as well. Why is it moving? Oh, what's up, Senulum? I remember watching your how to make doom sprites video a while ago. Alright, the person eater one. Let's attach a person to this and then make it local, get the fire, and then clear that, and attach a timer as well. Oh, this should be a one-shot. That might be, I don't think that's going to cause issues, but just in case, I'll make them all one-shot and one-shot, and then start or finish fire timer. Alright, finish burn. So we'll have finish fire time start and fire dot emitting equals true and emitting equals false, and graphics. No, wait, I should just set the whole thing to be modulate. I don't have to worry about that. Modulate equals color dot black and func ready. Connect. Let's see, the finish fire timer dot connect timeout to self to finish burn. Should have been calling all these the finish fire, whatever. Make them explode and leave chunks of burnt meat. I don't know, that's kind of out of scope. It's like my favorite thing to say in this jam. That's out of scope. This should be right here. There we go. Whoops. And it should start not emitting. This is great. Also, he should like move closer. If he's like, he should have a certain attack range. So let's do const attack range equals 500 pixels, and we'll do func in attack range to target return distance global position distance squared to target that dot global position is less than attack range squared because we're getting a square. Process state attack. If we're in attack range, we'll do this. Otherwise, we will, where's our target? This. If we're in attack range, do this. Otherwise, move to position. Global position. Right. And otherwise, if we are in range, don't move anywhere, so just null. Let's see if that works. Let's see, let's decrease this. What you need for bars is to have my face pop up. Yeah, that looks cool. Then he like gets up close. Oh, it's not walking, damn it. Let's see, I need to have animation player. Where's process state attack? I mean, when it's your spaghetti code, it's pretty easy to figure out. And you've been coding it all in one day, you know where everything is. Should really commit it though, like on GitHub, it would be bad if like something happened. There we go, nice. Now I'm just gonna go and search around. Okay. Now it's being weird, because it's like aiming at this one, but it's like not in range. It's not aiming at the nearest target. Should find the nearest one, huh? The health bar, I mean, that's on the top left, how they move basically. Also, why are the flames hitting the person? They're masked on the environment layer and the hitbox layer. The person is on, they do not have a hitbox. Do they? They have one thing on the hitbox layer. Get rid of that. I don't need a hitbox for them. There, that should get rid of it. Oh, I need to make the flames go in the instance group so I can delete them when I restart. So there we go. Player, person, here we are. This code should really go in a single spot, like here. There. And for node in get, get tree dot get nodes in group instanced node dot queue free. There we go. Node dot not node. Now if I restart, you can see all the flames disappear. And you can see the fire is creeping up. The intestines there. Make a 3D game instead of a pixel game. I'm planning a 3D game actually, my next game. When it comes to making functions, do you just make new functions for each object in the game when needed? Make a file where you store all functions, reference it to reuse them later. I mean, I make them where needed. If there's going to be code duplication, I try to make modular objects and stuff I can share. Yes, did you manage to get a new computer to continue the LSD? No, I haven't, because a job offer I got fell through, so I need money to go towards rent and stuff. But hopefully, considering my channel has been growing a lot and I've been making a lot of money off my courses, my next course will make enough to cover all my expenses and a new computer. Okay, what's next? I need a game over screen. So let's see, I want a canvas. No, this, we already have one. And then I should rename this player UI and put this in here. So canvas, player UI, there we go. Now in here, I'll put a restart message, label and panel. Maybe something like that. Maybe just a color rect could do something. So this will just be press X to restart. There we go, and this will be, let's make it just black for now, and make it anchor margin left, 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 right, and there we go. And this will be center, like so. Wait, what is going on here? Why is it margins? Oh, full rect needs to be full rect. And then anchor margin. Oh, I was typing, it needs to be in margin, not anchor. There we go. And then visibility show behind parent. And then this is centered, I think. Let's see, restart message. How much do I need to know for your courses? First one I made on how to make retro graphics completely beginner oriented. Next one is going to assume some prior experience with programming. That was the most popular voted one. So if you know what like functions and variables are, you're fine. Let's see. Func check for all deaths, or check if dead. For person in people, if person dot is dead, not dead, then return. Otherwise, we'll get the restart message dot show. So, and then we'll get a die signal. Let's see, person will have a signal for dead. Signal dead. When you die, you will emit signal dead. And then person manager child dot connect dead to self to check if dead, right? Oh, there we go. Okay, now it showed it, but the scaling is really funky. What the heck? Because the UI is scaled up. Oh. What if I did that? I put this in here, and then I got rid of this one, player UI 2. This one will have no scaling. There we go, and this one will connect restart message dot show. Bring it there. Okay. Wait. Oh, why is it showing it? Stop showing it. Okay, so it should. And when this one dies, okay, now you can see they're both dead. Okay, all right, that's all the mechanics there. Nice. Let's see. Is that Java? No. How long did it take you to make your first playable game, like learning and stuff? I watched tutorials for 3 months, and then I set myself a goal of making a small game in 2 weeks. Or in 1 week, but it took 2 weeks. Sad, said it was depressing. The game didn't get downloads when made free. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of download, but I had like no followers when I made that for that game ages ago. What kind of specs are you looking for your new computer? Something that can run VR, because I want to make a lot of VR games next year. Desktop, I'm going to be building a desktop. Will I go back to Unity? Probably not, unless I can't do VR with Godot. And I could use Unity on this, it's just, yeah, I mean, I just like Godot. I want to support it. It's a cool free open source engine. Okay, so that's all the basic mechanics. Let's test guard patrolling. So let's see. If I add a node, patrol points, let's see. And I'll call, what was it, position? Let's see, patrol point or something. What was it called? Patrol nodes, okay. So now if I do this, it should go over back and forth. I just need to move all of the people. So let's move this back to wherever it was. There we go. Gotta go, excited for the next video. Thank you. Alright, let's see if I can see it. Oh, I can't. Can I zoom the camera out more? That's not gonna work how it is. Let's just do 1.0. Is that? Yeah, that zooms it out. Will I make mobile games? I don't know, maybe. Okay, there we go. Now it's walking. Why is it flipping so much? Oh, let's see. Process patrol state. Set to idle and move to position null. If we've reached, then move to position that and set to that. No, wait, it should be, if we're waiting at a patrol point, set it to be null. Otherwise, move to patrol position. Else, move to position, current control position. There we go. There, now it should stop. You love watching people code late at night? Happens a lot. Okay, there we go. Now it's moving properly. I feel like I need to be even more zoomed out for this. It's so slow though. That's the thing. It's like I couldn't speed it up because, oh, what is up with the UI? Why is this UI so screwy? This one should be top left. There we go. Now if it sees, all right, now it's going to chase after us. But I need to, okay, I need to make so the aiming works better. So right now it's, oh, and then it's also aiming at the nearest one. Like it should have something that checks for what's the nearest enemy to aim at. Okay. Yeah, the flickering is bad. It's just a driver issue. I'm gonna probably swap it out. I don't know. I don't want to swap it out mid-jam because then, like, what if it breaks? Then, and I can't get my computer working. I'll have to spend hours fixing the driver issue. Yeah. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe I can just look it up. NVIDIA driver flickering OBS Ubuntu. Oh, I have found this before. Open NVIDIA X server settings. NVIDIA X server settings. And X display server display configuration. I don't have that. Force composition. Yeah, they say to force composition something, but I don't have that option. That's what I remember reading before. There isn't a fix for it. Have no mouth and MSE. That's a cool name. I'm calling it Human Spiderweb though. Okay, so it's RuneScape music. Get nearest, let's see. Can see player, let's see, can see player. They should get the nearest one. For visible, all players equals that. And then I'll just append this. dot append that. And then we'll get, what did I use here? There we go, get closest search position. So I just need to copy all that code. And we'll get this for player node invisible players. Null last dist equals that. Global position dot distance to player node dot global position nearest now will equal player node. If nearest does not equal null, then return nearest. There we go. So all the art final, probably just the characters. I probably should adjust the background some. I just need to make the game playable first, and some like fun levels and stuff. Okay, so now this will get the nearest. Let's see, we could just do func get nearest visible player. And we'll do all this code. And I think I need to have this code in here. Nearest here equals that. If nearest player does not equal null, return nearest player. There we go. Otherwise, we'll have this here. Return nearest. Otherwise, return null. There we go. Raycasting visible enemies. I will send about a bunch of random raycasts, see if it detects the intestines on the ground. Where is it? If can see player is equal to null, set it to that. If for nearest player equals that. If nearest player does not equal attack target, then attack target should equal the nearest player. There we go. Let's see if that does it. It should. Is that coming after me now? Oh, nope. Where's this? Invalid operand string and nil an operator in. Does not equal null and those things. Wait, it should be. Oh, hang on, I just realized what I did. Where is it? Here. This. If this is not null and that. Thanks, Twizzters. Okay, no, now it should go after the other one, right? And now I need to set up the aiming, right? Yeah, I went after the closest one. Cool. Nice. So it just torches all of you. Thousands of null checks, yeah. Finally woke up at a good time to watch our stream. Good to have you here, Cookie Monster. You ever tried Game Maker? No. It's not free. I don't know. I just don't want to, learn a new engine at this point. I know this. I'm comfortable with it. Maybe one day I'll check it out, but I don't know. I think I did look at it once, and back when I was using Unity, and it was just too much to get involved with again. Where is it? Wall blocking aim. Okay, if wall is blocking aim, go to, where is it? Attack. process state here. If we're in attack range, else. We're in attack range and there's not a wall blocking our aim. There we go. What's the mechanic you drag around your fellow people? Oh, why is he not shooting? Damn it. If there is not a wall blocking our aim, let's see. If wall block. So this saying there is a wall blocking our aim. Why is that? Go to guard, graphics, body, gun. These are all on this layer. What are they colliding with then? This guy is not on any layer. Let's see. Presses attack. Range, wall blocking aim. So it says false. There's no, there is a wall blocking its aim. It still says true. Why does it still say true? Oh, it's because I see. I should be setting the distance of these based on how far we are to the target. Let's see. If attack target does not equal null, then let's see, var range dis equals, I don't know, 1000. Otherwise, we get fire point dot distance. Oh no, global position dot distance to the, what is it? Attack target dot global position. This equals that. Okay, then we're gonna do child dot cast to dot, is it x equals distance. Let's see, what is it? It's x. Yep. Okay. Why is it not working? Yeah, visible collision shapes. Here we are. It's still colliding with the wall for some reason. Maybe it's just not wide enough. Okay, so that's its range check. Okay, so it's still, okay. Maybe it's just not wide enough. I think that's what the problem was. Okay, so these just need to be farther apart. Like that. I think. That was a close call there. So now it can hit us. There we go. Cool. You can see it was still dragging while it burned. It's crazy. There we go. And then we died. That was cool. Okay. Let's get rid of that print statement. Okay, cool. I should quickly, whoops, I didn't mean to run that. I'm gonna quickly make a GitHub repository for this, just so I don't crash it, or just in case I don't break anything, you know. Human skeleton, no, human spider web. Create repository. let's go to Godot games, human, spiderweb, star git commit, git init, git add star, git commit, first commit, and whoops, and then push. All right, cool. Now I got it backed up. Okay, I think it's time to make some levels. I can make a level manager to manage all this. And it should be modular enough that I can just like swap out sprites and stuff if it's not working. So let's see, what do I want to do first? Let's make a level. Let's make a tutorial level. So this will be world, and no, what I want to do. We have a test world, I should duplicate that. Let's new folder, levels, and let's go to, delete that. Close all of these out, debug, yeah, it's gone. And let's just save this here, save tile set, there we go. Okay, and close all this. Should have just went with Lua. Why would I don't really like Lua. I've only used it once, I didn't care for it. Let's see, tutorial 1. Okay, and then let's put this under levels. Here we go. Go to tutorial 1. Okay, so let's get rid of the guard. I'm not going to need it. Not in tutorial level 1. And then get rid of person manager. Don't need person 2. Don't need rope 2. I'll just have that, and I don't need food on this level. So here we go. Is my name Joe? No, it's not. You can play any of my games and you'll see my real name in the credits. Okay, and let's just get rid of all the navigation stuff. I don't need that. Okay, so let's just put all of this. Let's see, we're gonna put it here and here. Delete all of this out of here. Oh, I still need to make so they starve to death. It's a good pitch to buy my games. To dox me. Let's see, that should be good. Then I just do this and this, and then put the door there. And let's put up a message like this. Just put that somewhere in the world. How to move, I'll call it, and use the WASD keys to move. No, stop. I hate when you click off and then you like try to go to move mode and it keeps putting text in. And maybe I'll just layer it a few times so everyone really gets the point. No wait, this level, here we are. I think you can use Rust with Godot. Use the WASD keys to move, cool. And then you'll get to there, and that'll take you to the next level. And then let's see, just call this world, I guess. Good enough, and then let's duplicate this. Tutorial food. So tutorial food here. Let's see, how far can I travel before I need to, dang it, not this one. see, how far can I travel? Okay, so let's see, how many laps is this? So we'll just put, let's see, eating, no, walking takes energy. Keep track of your stomach at the top left. And let's put on auto wrap here. And then in the tile map, let's put this like that. And something like that, 3 there. Eat, oh whoops, there. There we go. And let's see, we need to add in food. You don't like Scratch because it feels too easy? I mean, your programming language feels easy, that's good. Let's put this here. Shift and drag. Control Shift click and drag draws in a filled rectangle. Ah, thanks. I knew that from grid maps, but this didn't occur to me to do it with tile maps. Let's see, eat. Only one of you has a mouth. Eat. Help them eat so you can travel further. You can travel further. Yeah, something like that. Whoops, wrong level. There we go. And the food needs to be lower. There we go. So there we go. And let's just put this level, finish up this level. Put the door tile here. Put that one there. That there. Cool. 2 levels done. It's pretty ugly looking. Oh man, what did I do here? There we go. So tutorial, so I got the basic tutorial for moving around. Now I need the tutorial for swapping bodies. This is so weird. There we go. Okay, and now next one. What do I need to show in the next one? I guess how to use multiple bodies at once. So let's get the test world. Duplicate that. Tutorial, multiple people. I guess I should have one for dealing with guards too. Yeah, theme is keep it alive. Let's see. Oh, I should do one with a guard first. Duplicate tutorial guard. guard. So this one I will have, wait, why did I delete all the, no I didn't, okay good. So here I'll put a guard, no, guard here. And I will have let's see. I need to make some kind of indicator too. That shouldn't take long, I'll just take a second. Let's see. How do I want to structure this level? So I'll get rid of all this. Put this here, get rid of all that, clear that out. Delete this one. Watch out, no. Watch out for the space pirates. Pirates, okay, and then all right, so we'll have like so that'd be like a long corridor, and then I'll like move them down here, and I'll have like a long corridor that the guard patrols down, and let's see, how does that look if I put that here? Yeah, I can move the player up a bit, just so it's easier to see what's going on. And then tile map. Yeah, something like that. Here all these out. So I'll like alternate this, I guess. Shift click, drag. Wait, how did you do filled area? Need water sometimes too. I got some. Thanks for reminding me though. What was the key for filling in again? Control shift click, okay. Yeah, control shift. Control shift click? Oh, there we go, nice. I was doing shift drag and grid map, that's what the difference is, yeah. Okay, so now we'll have this. Let's see, put that there, and then I'll make the wall around here. To there, and then just drag that up. And put it like that or something. To there. And then drag that out to there. Yeah, to that. I'll put this in there. And finally put this over here. There we go. And then one floor tile here. And I need to put the food. Where is it? Food. Let's see. Move this one over to here. No, this. Here we go. And let's fix the AI. Let's see, we got search positions. So they'll search here, they'll search up here, and they'll search here. That seems good. So like that area, maybe like one over here. Yeah, and then let's fix this. Move this to here. I hate how you can't bake nav meshes in 2D, you have to do it by hand. It's really annoying. I feel like programming might become like reading one day. And then everyone who said, I don't know if programming's for everyone. I feel like people probably said that about reading and writing. Or maybe it won't. Maybe programming will just get so easy. Technology will just make it so easy to the level that people don't even know how to need to know all the logic and stuff. They can just tell their computer what to do. Okay, and I want to add patrol points in. No, what is this? Patrol nodes and position 2D. No, move this. Okay, so now wait, why is it? Can I not? Why is it going that way? What the fuck? It's over there, so why is it taking that route? Does it think it needs to go around or something? That's definitely a glitch in the programming. Maybe it should just loop around. That would be kind of interesting, actually. So that'll be the first one, second one, third, and then it'll come down here, so you have to avoid it. I don't know, that might not work too well, actually. That would be, I think, too difficult for this. Okay, let's move this up. But, oh yeah, because there's no collider right at the bottom, so you can move it up. Alright, you should go left. Come on, man. Go left. Don't go up. Why are you going up? Why does the nav mesh tell you to go up instead of going to the left? What's the name of the music? It's some RuneScape remixes. Can you explain what Ms. is going to do, the basic idea? So basically the mechanic is that you drag this body around and you have to make it eat things so that you can walk further. So if you look at the top left, that's your stomach. Right now I'm trying to debug this stupid pathfinding though. Like, why does it think it's a better idea to go up this way and then cut around instead of just going straight to this point here, right? So annoying. Like, if I just got rid of this, what would it do? See, it goes up. Why does it go up? Is it still going to go up if I get rid of that? Okay, now it doesn't go up. It's just, for some reason, putting that there makes it go up. That's very annoying. Maybe I should just, I don't know, I don't want to deal with that. I'd rather just use the pathfinding. Pathfinding is letting me down right now. Visible navigation, yes. And let's draw right here, this. It's not showing me visible navigation. Oh, it is. It's just showing it's not giving me a mesh or anything. Yeah, I definitely need a bigger camera. Definitely need a bigger camera. Now, if only it wouldn't go up like that. That's the annoying part. Like, why do you gotta go up like that? Let's see. Maybe in patrol mode it should just move directly towards. In patrol mode, let's see. Ignore pathfinding in patrol mode. If state is, let's see, guard. So if we're in the patrol state, we will ignore pathfinding. So let's see, where is process? Physics process, where are you? Here we are. If current state equals states dot patrol, do one thing, otherwise we will use all this. Wait. Get rid of that. And dir equals direction to our goal position. Pathfinding and patrol state. Where? Equal to, there we are. Wait, no. Let's see, now it should ignore it. Cool, there we go. All right, we really need to move faster. This person moves too slow. What if I did 20? Say 20. Okay, so they move twice as fast. Will that break the collision? Oops. Oh, wait. They should only have, they shouldn't be able to see if you're facing the other direction. That's right. If they're facing the other direction, let's see. Person can see. Guard. Duh. Get nearest, where is it? Get nearest visible player. If player node.global position dot x is greater than the global position dot x and we're facing right, then they're visible. And we're not facing right, continue, skip. If they are to our left, and we are facing right, then skip. Wait, not this one. Oh, what? Why is it? Oh, it's because of the dang rays. Here we are. Let's see. Guard the ray casting segment. This should be 180, and this should be degree 2 radian also. So that means it should be, and it should be if we're not facing right. Let's see. I definitely need like a visual guide on this. Ow. Draw. Let's see. Here. Update. And then we're gonna do. We do vector2 dot right. This. Right, and we do that to local. That. L position equals that, and then draw a line from vector to 0, so these are all local, to the L position, color dot red, and width of 2, let's say. There we go, and we'll just see what that looks like. No, not this one. Okay, so it's slightly off there, yeah. So let's add, if I add 90, will that do it? No. 180 divided by 16, what is that? 90 divided by 8, a little over 10, so like 12 degree increments. Angle increment, oh duh. And then we just need the starting increment, right? The starting increment's gonna be rad to, or degree to rad of 90, and then just add that. Okay, so that's the wrong direction, and then you just do that. So there we go. Okay, and then if we're facing right, so who on tablet? It's like $50 on Amazon. And that is too many. So let's see, it's too many increments. Let's see, what if I do 120? Maybe 100. Yeah, that seems ideal. 100, and then we add how much? 60 degrees? Maybe a little less. 50. It changing as I move. Okay, cool. And so I just do this. Add that to this. Plus that. And if we're facing right, our offset equals that. And if facing right, what do we do? Or if we're not facing right, then offset plus equals degree to radian 180 maybe. Probably should just test that directly. Let's see. Why isn't it flipping? Why isn't it flipping? Why isn't it doing anything? Plus 180. Why isn't it adding anything to it? Oh, because I never actually do anything to... Okay, so now it's going to be 180, yeah. There. But then it's like really... Why is it like that? Why is it scrunched up on one side but not on the other? That's dumb. See, it's like that on one side, but then once it flips, it goes crazy. See what's up with that. What's up with this? Oh, I know, it's because I did this. I need to add our Godot position. Plus that, there we go. There we go, perfect. Now it's working right. That's what the raycast should be, okay. Okay, so now we have our offset here. And we add that to this. So now it should work properly. No, why is it still doing that? Nearest visible enemy. Which one is returning this? So it's not this for sure. So, okay, so it's one of the other methods for sure, definitely, right? 50, oh wait. This isn't right at all. There. Should match that. Cool, okay, that's what it was. Maybe I should have just used the raycasts. Oh, and I ran out of food. No, move the food. Okay. Night, Lima. There we go. And so we can disable that and disable that. But it's decreasing too fast, I feel like. Is it just because of the speed I'm moving or something? I guess because we are traveling further. I could just put some more there. What happens if I just walk this way? Because that case I should starve to death. Yeah, so I don't actually starve to death if I go that way. Ooh, what if I just make so tile map actually cuts through here? And then you walk up this way. Like so, and then I'll adjust this navigation. There. Can I cut around here? I just barely survived. Maybe I should move everything over a little bit farther. Right now I can outrun the guard though is the problem. Let's see. What is move speed on the guard? Move speed, let's export that and make it like 300. No, not that one. Guard. Oh wow, that's really fast. Yeah, that's way too fast. Let's change that to 200. Yeah, that needs to be longer so that you starve if you try to go that way. Let's see, tile map. End of a long hallway, sort of. Let's put this over here. Okay, and then grab this. So if you try to make a run for it, you'll just die. It's easier to go around. There we go. Okay, reach the exit. All right, that's a pretty decent level, I think. Definitely could use more puzzle elements in this. Let's see. So now I got to deal with having multiple bodies. How am I going to do that? Let's see. What's everyone arguing about if Roblox is a game engine? I don't know. It lets you make games. Seems good enough. Reminds you of Arcanists. Well, I mean, it's by Jagex, and they made that game too, I think, right? From Fun Orb. Should definitely add some kind of like door that you have to press with 2 people or something. Let me add in a level manager here. Other, just level manager, and this will be a singleton. So I'll have our level list equals that, and we'll just do level 1, tutorial 1, health food, tutorial guard. see, there we go. Load next level and get tree.change scene to level list. Let's see, where level index equals 0, level end plus equals 1, level index. There we go. Save this to here and make this an auto load. Let's see. No, not you. Level manager scene. Here we are. Add that. Then let's add a sort of end zone. Let's see. Add in area. End zone. And it'll have a collision shape. And I'll put a square on it. No, stop. Where are you? There you are. Just added a square on you. Why aren't you there? And make it size 40 by 40. There we go. No. Move. There we go. And this will have a script. Nope. Go up. There we go. And hook on body, enter body if something, and connect nope, connect, what am I connecting here? Body entered to self on body enter. If the what's unique to this? I guess we just call level manager dot load next level, right? Because this will just only have things on the collision on the character layer. Yeah. So then I can just save this branch as a scene. Hey, what's up, Lakshi? Everyone's arguing, oh my god, it's not a big deal what game engine you use. Even if you use the easiest one in the world, you can still make cool games. I mean, like, look at StarCraft custom maps. And look at, what was the other one? Warcraft's editor. And I mean, there's some cool, clever stuff being made on Mario Maker. Smart people will find a way to make cool games, no matter what the tool they have. Tutorial food, tutorial end zone. Wait, that has not been made into a level. End zone, let's put this over here. And final one, tutorial food, I added one there. Tutorial 1 still needs it. End zone. There we go. Okay, cool. So I went to the next level there. There we go. Cool, it's working good. There we go. Oh, let's debug, take off visible navigation. All right, so as you can see, everyone, I've got the first 3 tutorial levels done. So the base mechanics are kind of coming together. And I'll probably make some sound effects tomorrow, add those on, make some more. I'm just going to focus on the gameplay mechanics. I feel like the art's probably not going to get very nice looking. Unless I can find a nice, figure out a nice way to do the ground. There we go. Okay, and I guess it should level and mod equals by level list dot size. Here we go. Cool. We're going to use music library for music. No, you have to make all your own assets for, let me just test that this works, for compo, because you have to do it by yourself. Cool. Damn, this is so cool. Look at that. Let's see, I should have something on here like default zoom level or something. Var default zoom level. It's because my driver sucks. 1, 2, and cam dot zoom equals vector 2 default. No, it should be dot 1 times default zoom level. Yeah, next game jam I'll have it fixed. Run. Set this to be levels tutorial 1. And project, let's set full screen under Windows. Full screen. I don't see the glitching now. Alright, so here's what I've got so far. Keep track of your stomach at the top left. Kind of getting Alright, I feel like I put too much food in on that level. There should be less tutorial guard 2D. Should be less food here. Where is the food? There it is. This one. Let's try it now. Yeah, we changed the topic on the thing. I was thinking of like doing a challenge where you have to take the I guess the least respected game engines and try to make interesting games with them. Like RPG Maker, you know, not many, very rare to see good games made with it. And usually, almost always, they're made by like hacking it like crazy, putting their own spin on it and stuff, like putting their own scripts and stuff. Yeah, like they probably added a ton of scripts though. They're not using the default like templates and stuff. So what I was thinking it would be really cool to like take all the default mechanics, all the default stuff in RPG Maker and make a game with that, right? And make it actually fun. Can you do that with those restrictions, you know? Hunger doesn't go above 100%. So there we go. I'll add some crunching sound effects for that, a burn sound effect. I'd like some squishy sound effects. That would be good too, but I don't know how I would like make them not happen all the time. I guess like when you tug, maybe when it gets pulled more than a certain amount, like when you tug like that, the average is like above a certain amount. Yeah, I don't know how I would make like a squishy sound effect there. But I do want to make a squishy sound effect. That would be good. Walking takes energy. Keep track of your stomach. One of you has a mouth. Health them eat so you can travel farther. This is so weird. This is so weird. Okay, I gotta go to sleep. It's almost 3 a.m. I gotta get up early tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we can continue this then. I'm gonna try to aim for noon. My time. So like 9 hours from now. Yeah. 9 hours from now. That's the goal. We'll see. Yeah. Oh, you didn't ruin it. I wasn't talking to you guys anyway, so it's fine.